The coronavirus is forcing changes in local Inyo and Mono County public meetings. Both Inyo and Mono counties will be practicing the recommended social distancing under the new coronavirus regimen at their regular public meetings. The capacity of the seating of the board chambers will be substantially reduced, and some board members might be participating through teleconferencing. Both Board of Supervisors are recommending that the public not attend the board meetings in person, and as people can either videotape or watch the meeting on the local cable television network or live stream the meetings on the county's official websites, there's no real reason to attend in person. If you choose not to attend in person, public comments or comments on specific items for the Inyo County Supervisors should be emailed to Inyo County to Assistant Board Clerk Darcy Ellis at dellis@inyocounty.us before 10 a.m. on the day of the meeting. For Mono County residents, please submit your comments via email by 5 p.m. on Monday prior to the board meeting. Submit your comment to Deputy Clerk of the Board Sharon Dedman at sdedman@mono.ca.gov. Your comment will be placed into the record at the board meeting. If you attend the board supervisors meeting in person, you will be required to maintain appropriate social distancing. You must maintain a 6-foot distance between yourself and other individuals. Trust me, as someone who just attended a supervisor's meeting in Independence, it looks and feels very strange to see these protocols in effect. The meetings have been somber, but on the other hand, people seem to be making the best of the situation and demonstrating good humor. After all, we're all in the same boat with this coronavirus situation. To help identify cases of COVID-19, Northern Inyo Healthcare District has established a drive-in testing for the coronavirus at the district's rural health clinic. Dr. Stacy Brown, family physician and medical director for RHC, said, "We're pleased to announce that the new service line allows for prompt screening for coronavirus through a series of directed questions by phone and then subsequent testing for infection on campus if indicated." The drive-in testing concept extends the current same-day service line to the parking lot adjacent to the clinic. The drive-in helps to keep current patients and medical staff safe from a potential infection, since suspect cases safely remain in their cars instead of waiting rooms during testing. Since the coronavirus testing has become commercially available, we can safely obtain a patient sample and send it out of town for testing, says Brown. This greatly helps the local health department and regional healthcare partners with surveillance and management of infected patients. The drive-in will operate during regular clinic hours from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Friday and 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Saturday. The Lions Club Student Speaker Contest was held at Bishop's Whiskey Creek Restaurant and included winning student Anika Foote from Bishop Union High School, along with runners Emily Ness from Mammoth High School and Warren Howard from Owens Valley High in Independence. All three students had been winners of their respective local Lions Club speech contest this past month, and they progressed to this zone of level competition. Winner Anika will now move on to the regional level of the Student Speaker Contest, scheduled for April 2nd in Bishop. Recent changes in the protocol by Lions International and its sponsor for the student speech activity have been created to have been necessitated by the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. By the way, if you're wondering what MD4 stands for, it stands for multiple districts in the Lions Club organization. The new changes affect large group meetings and gatherings and impacts the normal places used by participants and their families in places such as restaurants and meeting halls. Since California's Governor Newsom has decided there will be no group meetings larger than 10, the Lion officials and District 4L1 have just announced similar limitations to safeguard the contest. The Bishop's Lion Club will likely change its scheduled venue for the April 2nd regional level contest. They will likely reduce the normal number of judges, timekeepers, tellers, and even the audience participation that would normally include parents and speech coaches and well-wishers. The Bishop Lions Club would like to express its concern for any inconvenience these changes might cause, but due to the extraordinary precautions being taken to protect the students that are competing, as well as the officials and public involved, they really needed to accommodate the changes. We'll be back with more news and Dennis Madison's weather.